Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, I'm bringing you some hot off the press news about a highly anticipated camera from Canon. The photography community has been buzzing, and today we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II. If you're a camera enthusiast, a Canon user, or someone considering stepping up your gear in 2025, you won't want to miss this breakdown. We'll talk about the potential release date, major upgrades, and why this new APS-C mirrorless camera could be a game-changer for photographers and video creators alike. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. What's coming? The Canon EOS R7 made a strong impact when it was first released, quickly becoming a favorite among content creators thanks to its balance of speed, size, and affordability. But now, Canon is preparing to elevate the R7 lineup with the introduction of the EOS R7 Mark II, set to arrive sometime after July 2025. This isn't just a minor update. Based on the latest leaks and reports, Canon is planning some major advancements that will make this new model a significant leap forward compared to the original R7. Major sensor upgrade, from 32.5 MP to 40 MP. The most headline-grabbing update is the sensor resolution. The current EOS R7 features a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, which already delivered excellent image quality for its class. However, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to come with a brand new 40 megapixel APS-C sensor. This isn't just a recycled sensor from other Canon models. According to trusted sources, Canon will introduce an entirely new sensor design specifically for this camera. It's being speculated that the new sensor could be stacked, which would dramatically improve readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter effects, and enhance continuous shooting performance. If this stacked sensor rumor turns out to be true, we can expect significant improvements in both high-speed photography and high-resolution video capture. This would put the EOS R7 Mark II in a very competitive position, not just within Canon's lineup, but also against flagship APS-C cameras from Sony and Fujifilm. 40 MP brings new possibilities. A jump to 40 megapixels on an APS-C sensor is a major move for photographers, especially those who love landscape, wildlife, and commercial shooting. This means greater detail, sharper crops, and more flexibility in post-processing. Even with the higher resolution, Canon seems to be focusing on maintaining excellent noise control and dynamic range, which will be crucial for preserving image quality in low-light conditions. This makes the EOS R7 Mark II a perfect companion for professional photographers and serious hobbyists who need high-quality files but also appreciate the compact benefits of the APS-C system. Size and handling, slightly bigger, still manageable. Now, let's talk about size and handling. Many users love the portability of the original EOS R7, which weighed around 612 g. The new EOS R7 Mark II is expected to grow slightly in size to accommodate the enhanced hardware, possibly aligning with the size of the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. However, this isn't necessarily bad news. The increase in size will likely allow better heat management, a sturdier grip, improved balance with larger lenses, and more room for professional-level components. Even with the slight weight increase, the new model should still remain highly portable and easy to use for travel, street photography, and on-the-go shoots. Expanded accessory compatibility. Interestingly, the EOS R7 Mark II's larger body size might also offer compatibility with accessories designed for the EOS R5 Mark II. This could include grips, cages, L-brackets, and more, which would expand the customization options for creators looking to build a flexible shooting setup. Memory card system, SD and CF Express support. Another significant improvement is the memory card system. The current EOS R7 supports dual UHS-2 SD card slots, which work well for most shooting scenarios. However, with the new high-resolution sensor and the likelihood of faster burst speeds and higher video bit rates, Canon is introducing CF Express Type B support for the EOS R7 Mark II. This is a huge plus for professionals. CF Express cards offer incredible write speeds that are necessary for handling large photo files, continuous burst shooting, and high bitrate 4K or potentially even 6K video. The EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feature a dual-slot system combining one CF Express Type B slot and one SD card slot. This hybrid setup will give photographers the flexibility to choose between speed and affordability, depending on their workflow needs. When can we expect it? So, when will the EOS R7 Mark II finally hit the shelves? Based on reliable sources, Canon is planning to release the EOS R7 Mark II sometime after July 2025. Some reports suggest a Q3 or Q4 launch window, meaning it could arrive as early as summer or as late as the holiday season. If Canon sticks to its usual release strategy, we might start seeing official teasers and product announcements in the first half of 2025. So, if you've been considering an upgrade, It might be worth waiting a little longer to see what this model brings. Why this camera matters. The EOS R7 Mark II isn't just another refresh. It seems like Canon is positioning this camera as a serious APS-C flagship for photographers. The high-resolution sensor, faster memory card options, and likely improved autofocus system will make it a powerful tool for wildlife, sports, landscape, and commercial work. For video creators, expected advancements in video frame rates, bit rates, and cooling performance will make this camera a highly capable choice for YouTubers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters. For travelers and vloggers, despite its size increase, the camera is still expected to remain relatively compact, offering great versatility without compromising image quality. Canon's decision to push the APS-C series into a higher performance bracket shows that they are fully committed to satisfying both professional and enthusiast markets. Final thoughts. I hope this deep dive has given you a clearer picture of what to expect from the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. As more leaks and official announcements emerge, I'll continue to update you right here on this channel. If you're excited about the future of Canon's mirrorless cameras and you don't want to miss the latest news, make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone and hit that like button. I'll also be covering upcoming releases, camera comparisons, detailed reviews, and all the latest technology trends. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Stay tuned.